Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only from a Google Sheets on PC. So here I've already opened a file on my Google Sheets and you can see here this file. I can only this file, so I cannot make any changes like delete some data or add some data because I only have access to view this file. And to remove the view only, here's how you can do it. First, open the file. You can just click on the file options at the top file menu, and here click on the make a copy, then just rename the file like this. I'm going to go with this, and after that click on make a copy. Okay, so after that the copy version of the file will be open like this, and the view only is gone. So now I can edit the file because the view only is gone. So for example, I want to delete this data. Just like that, I can do it easily now. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.